got some peanuts and pecans out. It's about 4 o'clock. The snow is melting. The squirrels are coming about. Here we go. They heard the call. Go get it. You got pecans and peanuts. The birds are happy. Look at them all. They're all coming up and grabbing them peanuts. Come on, guys. There's another squirrely. It's been cold, guys. There's another one. He's in the bucket there. Come on, guys. Look at little baby squirrel. Go get it. Good little fella. Oh, what's that little one? He's on the. Go get it. You got it. Yeah, it's been crazy cold. This is the warmest part of the day right here. It's a little after 4. It's about 38 degrees, I'm gonna say. But it's just been crazy, crazy cold. And poor babies. The squirrels, they came out this morning. Look at the red birds, they're so bright. Squirrels should be coming out soon. They've kind of been sneaking over a little at a time. Gotta ring the bell for them so they know. Making of that. They may start coming. Go get it, little one. Yeah, you got a pecan. He's happy. Oh, going down. Oh. Somebody else up there. Go get it. There's plenty of goodies in there, buddy. Oh, big jump. Oh. The birds are singing. Oh, there's a squirrely. Go get you one. You got pecans up there. Eat them while they're hot. Oh, big jump. Oh, what you doing? Squirrel over there, scaring the birds. Oh, you gonna check out this one? yourself a pecan. There you go. Going away? Alright. You know what it is? We got all the sunflower seeds and the bird feed. Look at the colors. Look at the sky. Beautiful, huh? Clear blue. Clear blue sky here. Snow is melting. There's the sun. Just over the horizon there. Look at that. Look how clear and blue that sky is. And it looked like it was a blizzard yesterday. Crazy weather. We are looking forward to and approaching the 3,000 hour mark for our channel. We're at 27, 22 as of today. Well, it's actually 5 days ago. I think that's how they calculate it. They're always about 4 or 5 days behind. But at least when we hit that 3,000 mark, we could do a little more to try to fundraise for these babies, for our alley cats and these squirrels here. We could offer subscriptions and do a little more for anybody who thinks they would like to help out this channel. Everything we do is for the animals. So we're looking forward to getting to that mark where we can, I've just started looking into what they do there. It's like, they call them supers or badges and subscriptions and stuff like that. And I'm not the best technically, as you can see from my videos. I am not an expert at any of this, but if I can get some help for the animals, I mean, great. You know, if we can get subscriptions and people donating once a month, you know, maybe $5 a month or something. I don't know how they do it, but yeah, everything would just be tremendous help. Be able to help so many more animals, because there are a ton out there, and we've been really paying a hefty price for these pecans and peanuts. I mean, but this is a passion, and our alley cats, they need some help. So, looking forward to that. If any of you guys home and bored and got nothing to do, you could throw on the channel, just leave it on, let it play, mix, get those hours there. We would appreciate it, just to get to the mark. You know, then it's going to get complicated because I don't know too much on the video side, so it's going to be funny. This old geezer here trying to figure out how do I do emojis and badges and stuff like that. That's going to be challenging, but it's for the animals, so it'll be like a weekend project. You know, I can figure out how to do the subscriptions and the emoji badges, and I gotta make better videos, and you know, try to interview some of the squirrels for you guys. They're a bit camera shy. Most of them not big on talkers. I mean, we got our regulars who come up and take it out of our hands. A few that we rescued, they will come up to us, but they're not big on hanging out and shooting the breeze, you know what I mean? Yeah, but they are big on food, so, and that's where we need our major help, is really feeding all the animals. Yeah. Uh-oh, warning. There's a warning cry there. So see how he stays still? Like, they freeze when they hear the warning. Now he's looking. They generally stay still during the warning. Could be nothing. Could be somebody got too close to a nest. Or it could be a hawk flying overhead or a cat on the ground or something. Let's see, he's looking around, staying still. The squirrels are smart. You can see the birds have vanished. See, just to show you, anytime there's a warning, usually a predator in the area, the squirrels take their cues from the birds. Don't look, I don't see any birds over here now. So that's why the squirrel is frozen. You could hear the birds, but they're not over here. If they come back, he'll be relaxed. Well, there you go. One came back, or two. So he may be able to relax now. Yep, see, the birds came back, so he knows it's safe. That's one thing you get to know when you're watching them. Oh, big jump. Yeah, back to the trees where it's safe. But the squirrels take their cues from the birds. Yeah, the world's a mess too. I don't even bother watching TV anymore. I mean, just saw there was another school shooting today. How sad is that? Somewhere in Tennessee. You know, turn on the news, you just get depressed. I don't know what's going on with humanity, but one thing about the animals, they are true. So we take care of our animals, and we do as much as possible. I mean, there's always so much more to do. So that's what I'm hoping with this channel, if we can get to that mark and build it up some, and do a little fundraising. I mean, that would just be a huge, huge, huge help. I'm certainly not looking to get rich off of anything, but honestly, we're working in the red here every month. Probably about 1,000 behind each month on the bills on average, and that's because we spend $1,500 to $2,000 a month on the animals. So if we can get our channel up and going and get something there, would be a huge help. And I know there's tons of animal lovers out there. You know, there's something about, animals that is just so pure. You get sick of looking at TV and looking at all the terrible things out there. Nature is pure. Nature is honest. I didn't expect to get a big rush today, but it's still early for the squirrels. I noticed, this used to be the big time. Oh, there's a squirrel up here. This used to be the big time about a month, 6 weeks ago, when the days were really short, because they seemed to come out maybe, a half hour before sundown. The days are getting longer now, so the squirrels come out later. See, they don't run on clocks, they run on, I guess, the positioning of the sun. So they've been coming out later, where they used to be swarming at 4. Now it seems to be a little after 5. So I came out earlier because I thought maybe they'd want to come out now since it's the warmest part of the day. I guess they stick to their schedule. The food's out there, but the birds are taking most of the peanuts. Yeah, I'm pretty sure, with all of the peanuts we put out, I'd say the the birds eat most of the peanuts. And the chipmunks when they're out. I mean, they hibernate for a little while and then they come back out when it warms up. All the birds are out. And we make sure they have plenty of drinking water. We've been refilling it because they've been freezing the water out there. It's been freezing. So I just try to make sure that they got plenty of water. Because that's essential. Plenty of food. I still got some pecans in my pocket if you're running low. Oh, there's a woodpecker. Come on, little guy. You want a pecan? There should be some up there still. Look at the birds. They're all around. Yeah. Oh, you got some? Yeah. Oh, all right. He went back home, I guess. The birds are buzzing around now. Gotta get back in the sun. It's getting cold. Let me get you one. And it's starting to come out. Where's Stormy at? You come up here. I got some. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Here you go. Here you go. You see it? Oh, come on. Yeah. Here you go. Go get it. All right. All right. Where'd the other one go? Let me see here. There it is. There's the pecan. Oh. Oh. All right, guys. I think time for me to eat something, I believe. Check on the squirrels in a little bit. They dumped out plenty of food. And they got this tray here, which they will be coming to once I'm inside. Yeah. They usually come up, but I don't know, it's the weather. All right, guys. Put these back. I'll be back.